day 2 of the Chocolate Festival in Grenada. And today we have the children activities and the Bazaar at the True Blue Bay Resort. One of the children's activities is Taste with Color. So we're giving the kids a piece of chocolate to taste, and then they have a map of colors, and they're going to try to paint the colors that they can taste in the chocolate. How's it going?
This looks like chocolate.
Good? Okay. So that's the next station, is you can make your own chocolate. I think we have some. So we have some cocoa nibs here, and they're putting them on the metates and grinding them, and then adding the taste they want. So we have sugar and cinnamon today.